হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আপনারা দেখছেন আমার চ্যানেল টেকনিক্যাল রিপন। আজ আপনাদের সামনে কিছু ওয়্যারেবল গেজেট সম্বন্ধে ভিডিও নিয়ে এসে হাজির হয়েছি। এই গেজেটগুলো আপনারা সবসময় ব্যবহার করতে পারবেন। এই গেজেটগুলো সম্বন্ধে বিস্তারিত জানতে চাইলে আমার এই ভিডিওর ডিসক্রিপশন বক্সে তা দেওয়া আছে। সেখান থেকে আপনারা সেই গেজেটগুলোর নাম এবং তার বিস্তারিত জানতে পারবেন। কোথা থেকে কিনতে পারবেন তার লিঙ্ক সহ দেওয়া আছে। ভিডিওটি দেখতে থাকুন, অবশ্যই ভালো লাগবে।
Yeah, it's really good volume. I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear it. The sound's coming through.
Yeah, I like that.
It's so funny.
Whoa.
Hello?
Du hast aber die Musik. Ja. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy.
This is the Moment smartwatch. It is unlike anything you have ever seen before. A classic timepiece designed to complement your personal style, a perfect blend of fashion with technology. We believe a great user experience requires stylish appearance, simple operation, technology upgrades, and exceptional battery life. We based our entire design process on these requirements. The Moment adds convenience to your life without compromise. People will notice you in a moment, but you get to determine if they notice your style or your technology. To provide a superior user experience, we focused our engineering efforts on core features and quality components. Each Moment is built with a precisely cut stainless steel base and a surface-hardened, color-tinted lens. When assembled, the Moment is a thin band that wraps perfectly around your wrist. Measuring only 0.9 millimeters on the outside edge, it is hard to imagine we still have room for the electronics. To deliver the best reading experience, we decided to place the message board on the inside of the wrist. Our research indicated this is the most natural move position for most people. We want your messages to remain private until you decide to share them. We believe typing is an extremely effective way of communicating. We made use of the super large 360-degree touch surface to create a full QWERTY keyboard surrounding the message board. This allows our users to type on the Moment, making the Moment more independent. We want the Moment smartwatch to be upgradable. We created Snapwear to give your Moment smartwatch the latest technology. Moment Snapwear is an electronic module that gives you extended features, such as the latest biometric sensors or inductive this project, we set our target battery life to really high. 30 days normal usage with a single charge.
LOOKSEE has infinite possibilities for your style. It really allows you to take control over your look and over your use of functions.
So this is probably going to be one of the first commercially available flexible displays on the market, and it's always on.
It's a very thin, very elegant display that just flexes around your wrist.
This is artwork. This is now jewelry. It's like, this is now very, very different.
It's technology that is empowering the fashion versus the design that is elevating the technology. It's a complete shift in paradigm. I mean, you're wearing an accessory. Why shouldn't it look good?
Many of the smartwatches are pretty similar. They're fairly small displays, normally off to save power. And I said, this isn't enough. The filtering is essentially limitless. You decide what the selection criteria are.
Anything in your notification center on your phone can be custom driven to your bracelet. With the glance of your wrist, you can basically see what appointments are coming up, or you can also look at the way in which your information is structured. The convenience is really easy.
You can say, I want messages from my spouse, I want my sister's Facebook, and anything quickly with pizza.
You can choose to only have tweets from this person, or text messages from that person, or emails from this other person here.
You can have a moving map. You're walking down the street, you can see where you are and where the destination is. Time, different watch faces, QR codes for paying for coffee or for flight. And, for example, activity monitoring, showing how much you want and how many calories you want.
Everyone who sees the bracelet loves the slideshow. You can change the image, upload a picture, write text.
You can take a picture of the outfit that you're wearing, so you're matching that. Or if you're walking to work, take a picture of the street graffiti.
And there's something about the quality of the screen of the e-ink display.
Introducing UWear, a powerful and affordable smartwatch for hikers.
With this watch, I'm never going to get lost again. I just have to set my starting point on this watch, and no matter how far I go, the watch will just guide me back to where I started. And even if I forget to set the starting point, I'm not going to get stuck anywhere in just one single area, because the watch will tell me which ones I've been on, which ones I haven't. So this watch is perfect for hikers like me who don't have the best experience.
I love hiking, especially on trails like mine. So I found UWear. Once I was hiking the Havasupai River, and the water was up to my chest, and my hands were in the river for hours, and UWear still worked perfectly.
What I like most about the UWear is that it's not only a sports watch, it's my best fitness pal. It keeps me up to date on my heart rate, and that lets me monitor my intensity and make changes accordingly.
When going on a long hike, you need to be aware of weather changes. With the UWear watch, I can look at the weather in my hiking area, and all I have to do is press a button. UWear's a temperature gauge, a barometer. That way, it's really easy for you to know and be prepared accurately. UWear is not only a watch designed for hiking. The 10 sports modes provide useful tools for different activities, including your daily workouts.
Introducing the Hot Band, a smart band for most any watch.
The band has a built-in audio. When you get a call, to answer the call, you just raise your hand and start talking. The audio gets fired from the bottom of the wrist, and your hand acts like a parabolic reflector, reflecting the sound to your ear. We have also made the audio device removable. For a quick short call, you just raise your hand and start talking. For a long call, you pull out the audio dongle and plug it in your ear, where it becomes like a Bluetooth headset.
It's a simple Bluetooth solution, and it brings our expertise in directional audio using micro speakers.
We are working with CSR, who's the leading Bluetooth maker in the market. They're directly supporting us, where we have developed an excellent Bluetooth module with long-range connectivity. Whatever smartwatch has done for notifications, this hot band is going to do for phone call handling.
So when you are getting a call, you're still reaching out for your phone. What this band does with your Apple Watch, once you realize you want to answer the call, you simply talk using your hands. Or if you want to go hands-free, unplug it, use it as a Bluetooth headset. Wearable is also a great watch. They were first. So if you are a car care user, you'll probably not switch to a smartwatch. But make it somewhat smart without compromising on fashion or brand. You can use our band with any watch.
We have a fully working prototype. We have finished the PCB design, we have finished the mechanical design, we have finished the band design.
Audio Fall gives this private calling feature ideal for any smartwatch or any watch where you want to make your watch a talking device. So when you flip out the audio fall, it comes on the sweet spot of your palm. It is a perfect design to achieve 100% private calling without having to pick up your phone. Where the smart fall is perfectly suited for all the classic and fashion watches where you are not getting any notification and you are interested in making your classic watch into a smart watch.
The crowdfunding campaign helps us fund this tooling cost and the mass production cost.
The Hot Band comes with your choice of either the audio fob or the smart fob. The audio fob is ideal for anyone who wants to make a private phone call from their smartwatch or fashion watch band, or would like to replace their current Bluetooth headset. The smart fob is designed for fashion watch users who want to add smartwatch functionality. It adds a digital screen to your watch band and gives you phone notifications, weather, fitness stats, and music control. You can choose between either configuration, or you can enjoy both versions since they are
থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং মাই ভিডিও। ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করবেন। অ্যান্ড ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু সাবস্ক্রাইব।